Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. So today I am at the Blue Lagoon in Portland. You should definitely visit. Before you go ahead and see the rest of this clip, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So come on, let's go down there. Let's see what's going on, okay? Guys, I see something down there. Let me see if we can show it. Oh gosh. Yeah. So there's a little raft down there. So, what's your name?
Bami, raft captain, you know.
Alright,
Yeah,
so you can...
enjoy the Blue Lagoon, you know.
Thank you.
Monkey Island, you know.
Alright.
In a rat spring.
Alright, thank you, boss. Alright, late. Okay, so we're going on this. Alright, so just step in. I'm finally here. No, Tracy, big thank you. Big thanks to you. So
Let's try.
So in here, so in the deep section, 213 feet.
Alright,
113 feet. Huh?
You don't marry in my
Wow. So right now we're at the deepest point. Wow. But over here, well, beautiful, man. Yes, Tracy.
Okay, let me ask you something. There's swing song there. When me go for me foot touch bro. Okay. Okay, me good. Me good.
Oh.
Me good.
Yeah, okay. But all along, we should have stand up. Guys, I hope I'm doing a good job at showing you. Oh, this is where we were. Alright, guys. So, that's a spring that the water runs from the mountain into the lagoon. Oh, so we're gonna wash off.
Okay. No problem.
I could go wash off in the mineral water.
You say wash off some crosses.
Yeah, we have a great tour on the back. Him say him look crusty. The water cold, man. Oh gosh, me nearly run. Him say he look crusty, so him no want in the video. So maybe next time. So yeah. Whoa, whoa, I'm coming up on a wave. Whoa! No. No, sir. I had to sit down. We don't want to drop, you know. We're going to Monkey Island. Woo. Yeah, this is nice. Watch our restaurant over there, so I hope you can see.
All these are Blue Lagoon villas for rent.
Correct.
They're like 1,200 US a night.
At night.
You get like a housekeeper, a chef, and a butler when you're ready.
Okay, that's nice.
And a construction to Michael Legion. This running is coming from the fountain.
Okay.
Underneath the villa into the sea.
Oh, he said that water is coming from up the mountain, they run underneath the villa and into the sea. This is really nice.
And in the night time it's very beautiful out here.
Out here?
Oh, they're nice. Oh,
Wow.
they're nice.
Really nice. So it comes with a private butler and everything with the villas.
I'm lucky.
Really comfortable. Really, really comfortable. Butch Stewart.
That's where Tom Cruise there when they shot the movie up there. This is the one here for the guy who owned the Goblin Hill Hotel, Marvin Goodman.
Oh, Marvin Goodman with the Goblin Hotel.
Villa.
3-bedroom villa. Wow.
Need to look out here, it's up, it's down here, the water.
Yes, the water is really beautiful, guys.
He was also telling me that this green villa is where Tyga shot his music video One on One while he was here in Jamaica.
If you number one, go up, we not go up.
No, but why would you say you want to climb this?
Just be far.
Just, yeah, adventure. Hey, adventurous. Alright, so guys, we're on the Monkey Island right now, and there's a beautiful view. Hi. Hi, my friend. Mind a drop. Guys, this is how it looks from right there. I have very crazy friends. So, there's a lot of noise down there. A lot of people are interested in Monkey Island. So, I just have to ask Tracy if up here is safe for a snake and them something there. Cause Tracy, whoa. Yeah, man.
Good exercise.
Oh gosh. Alright. So, what about the view? You think we have no better view up there, sir? Alright. Go on, my friend. Beautiful black queen, you know? Oh gosh. No, sir. All things like them want to scare me. Girl, I'm not trust not what look like snake, you know? Yeah, man. It's nice. You can spread out a towel right there. Watch out. This is just like, where am I going the other day? In St. Mary. Where the bamboo. No, sir. Guys, this is a trend for me. Tracy, help me find something so I can write my initials. Alright, Tracy. Write your name. Tracy, that now work, boo.
That work, man.
That now work.
Hold on. My TR.
A-R-A. Alright, go on, go on.
I just...
Guys, this is almost unbelievable. I can't find a little pebble rock
Here.
to write on my name. Thank you. Okay.
Oh, you're right. JR, but that's not true.
Yeah, alright, JR. I think a JR me the right up something little. Guys, bring your own stone when you're coming over here. There are a lot of names.
Alright.
Some of them don't.
No, man.
I hope someone who wrote their name. See this, see there, from on 2019. What you find? Girl, you can't run so. Wow! Wow! No wonder why it's a truck. Oh gosh. Guys, I'm so watch it all cool over here. Wow. Whew. This is beautiful. Nossa.
Can't find nothing to carve with that one.
Not true.
The
Mrs.
thing with her.
Guys,
It's no adventure without blood.
oh Tracy, I'm so sorry. Guys, be careful in the woods. This Monkey Island make the girls them twerking. I wonder if they have like a monkey punch. I don't know. But guys, we have some splendid views. I want to show you most of what I'm seeing. Go there, good girl. It's everything I go for the vlog. Guys, so the track it goes down there, but guess what? That's for the adventurous people. So we're hoping to find our way back. where we come through. So we're gonna just go back down on the island now and spread out, have a little snack.
A real long woodland come here.
Real woodland. So Tracy,
They not even put one little something up.
one little something
Even
to
one
enter.
bar.
Boy.
That must drink some, just take a shot.
Love drink, you see. Me I go down now, so I don't want to drop. Peace. I live over there. Yes, you can come visit. You can come visit. You know? My daddy buy give me.
I wonder what you want like over there.
You know, hear the guy say all villas start from 1200 US a night.
Oh no, bro. Guys, we are going to get come on this and that. In a bad. This in a bad.
Me as a Jamaican now spend $1,500 a night.
No worry, me I go hit the jackpot. I'm scared.
How do we hit the
Me I
jackpot?
go sponsor you. Don't worry, me I just do the pack something. We not make you know say we are doing no guys. Let me tell you, we are going to say no.
But that's a honeymoon villa.
Some bad news, some swimwear and some liquor or something. It's not because of honeymoon villa. We not go for honeymoon, but we are friends. Me tell you carry your
That goes set the two on wrong. we have to go down this though. What you say?
But your best friend bought you a man.
You bought me that mansion, the honeymoon villa.
Yes, I
so
did.
me and my man can go over there.
Can go and
Okay. Thank you,
it
friend.
wasn't cheap, you know.
I know. Thank you, friend.
It wasn't cheap, you know. It literally put a hole in my back, but it's just for a friend, you know.
Okay. You got it like that.
Yeah,
I
no
get
problem.
you. All right. Okay guys, so this is the end of my little private island tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really excited. Subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down here or down here. Guys, I'm leaving my island now. I'm a mermaid. It was a fantastic trip. Thank you. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me where else you want to see me go. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going somewhere else after this. Bye.